Hello guys, if you're struggling with the too large file error, then this video is for you. Before we dive in, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel for more helpful tech tips. Now, let's get to the issue. Here, you can see that when I try to copy a file from my drive to a USB, I get an error message saying, "The file is too large for the destination file system." To understand why this happens, let's check the file properties. You can see that this file is 7 GB in size. Normally, this error occurs due to an incompatible file system format. Looking at my drive's properties, you can see that its file system is NTFS, while my USB drive is formatted as FAT32. FAT32 is an older file system that only supports file sizes up to 4 GB. That's why we're getting this error. To fix this, we need to change the USB's file system to NTFS. To do that, we have to format the USB drive. Keep in mind that formatting will erase all data on the USB, so if you have any important files, make sure to back them up first. Now let's proceed with the format. First, change the file system from FAT32 to NTFS to ensure we don't run into size limitations again. Next, under Allocation Unit Size, select Default Allocation Size for the best performance. Then, click Start to begin the formatting process. It might take some time depending on the USB speed, so be patient. Once the format is complete, let's try copying the file again. Now, I'm copying the same 7 GB file and pasting it into my USB. As you can see, it's working perfectly, and I didn't get any errors this time. So, by simply changing your USB's file system to NTFS, you can transfer large files without any issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching.